Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've received a certain something in the mail and I'm going to do an unboxing of it. So here we go. Alright, so what I have here is a backpack. I've got a camera backpack by K&F Concept. So I'll just take it out. So it comes in a plastic bag here. And as you can see, it's not crushed or anything. Yeah, comes like that. First impressions, it feels pretty good, to be honest. Looks like a dry bag, so this will be water resistant, which is awesome. It has a pocket on the side here, and also here. So I believe this is for the tripod leg, and you can strap it up here as well. So it's an awesome add-on. There's a pocket here, with a tablet or a notepad in there. Zips feel really good quality. Zip, it's metal, doesn't, it's not made out of cheap plastic or anything. So that's pretty much the outside of the bag. Adjustable straps. It has here a chest strap. Anyway, it's on to the inside. Alright, so here's the inside of the bag. As you can see, it's got a lot of pockets here. Let's go through this first. So it's come with some accessories which I wasn't aware it would come with, which is an added bonus. So we'll go through this bag. So that's some sort of blowy device, I forget what they're called. It could be for cleaning the dust out of anywhere on the camera. That's pretty cool. Lens cloth, I believe. I'm assuming this would be some sort of lens fluid for the cleaner. And right here we have, okay, so that's a brush right there. Again, probably for cleaning. And this right here, I'm not exactly sure what that's for. But that's pretty cool. Cool accessories I didn't know about. Alright, so as you can see, it has some zips here. Side pocket. This is actually a plastic meshy sort of thing, so added protection from leaking and whatnot. Here, Velcro pocket. Right there, fit an iPad. It's obviously come with an extra divider. So the pockets are all adjustable. As you can see, there's Velcro here. They've obviously set this bag up and it's just like this, but if need be you can take certain slides out and adjust them elsewhere, so that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so I'm going to put all my camera stuff in now. Yep, camera there, accessories here, this little item can go there, or I could put a drink bottle there. Camera seems pretty snug, and yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to zip this up. Also, one thing I've just noticed is the zip is lockable, so right there it connects and you can put a lock in it, so that's pretty good. So the bags are really well equipped. Here's my tripod and Frodo. It actually fits pretty well, won't come off. Oh, there it is. One leg sticks out, but that's fine. And yeah, so just carrying it like that. It'll be all set up and ready to go. That's my review on the bag. Like the video, subscribe, and peace out.